Good morning, children. Welcome to online class of St. Joseph Academy. Today we are going to do part 3 of chapter 14 Money of class 3rd. So let's begin. Now first we are going to solve the homework part which I gave you yesterday, children. That is exercise 14A, third question. Fill in the blanks. Here you have to change rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees. So the first question is rupees 7, 10 paisa. This you have to convert into paisa. So multiply with 100. You will get 710 paisa. Then rupees 25. Again multiply with 100. You will get 2500 paisa. C part 76 rupees. This you will multiply with 100. So you will get 7600 paisa. Then D part, children, here you have to convert paisa into rupees. So 5000 paisa is given to you. You will divide with 100. So after 2 digit from the right, you will put the point here. So it will become rupees 50. There is no paisa here. Then in the E part, 4995 paisa, divide with 100. So again after 2 digit from the right, put the point. You will get rupees 49.95 paisa. Then the F part, 6845 paisa, divide with 100, you will get rupees 68.45 paisa. From the right hand side you have to count 2 digit and then you have to put the point there. In this way you will solve the exercise, children. Addition and subtraction of money. So to add or subtract money, write the rupees and paisa in separate columns or with a point between them. That means you have to make separate column for rupees and separate column for paisa. And also you have to mention the point between them. Then add or subtract like ordinary numbers. The way you add and subtract, the same process you have to follow here also. If you use points to separate the rupees and paisa, put the point in the answer too. If you are putting the point also, that point should also be mentioned in the answer column. Now see the first question, children. Addition. Here rupees 132.45 paisa is added with rupees 623 to 32 paisa. Then rupees 28 rupees 47 paisa. When you will add it, you can see separate columns are made for rupees and paisa and points also. All the points are in the same line. Then start adding the way you add. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Now 4 is written there and 1 is carry. Then at tens place. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 is written there and 1 is carry at the hundreds place. And then point is there, so you will also put the point there. Then add again. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. So 4 is written there and then 1 carry again on thousands place. So you will get 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So 8 is written there and 6 plus 1 is 7. So what is the answer? 784 rupees 24 paisa. So children, the way you add, same way you have to follow here also. Simply you have to keep in mind that point should be mentioned in the answer column. Now subtraction, children, see rupees 87.56 paisa. This you have to subtract 34 rupees 23 paisa. So from 87 rupees 56 paisa you subtract 34 rupees 23 paisa. Now point should be in the same column, in the same line. Now 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. So in the paisa column you will get 33 paisa. Now come to the rupees section. 7 minus 4 is 3 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So you will get the answer rupees 53.33 paisa. So in this way you will do the subtraction also. Now children, we are going to do subtraction by borrowing. Okay children, now see here. 125 rupees 70 paisa. Now I have made the columns. You can see above I have written rupees and paisa, separate column, and points on the same line. Now because 0 is smaller than 6, okay, so it cannot subtract. So you have to borrow 1 from 7. It will become 10. Now 10 minus 6 is 4 and the 7 is reduced to 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So you will get 44 paisa here. Now come to the rupee section. 5 minus 5 is 0. From 2 you cannot subtract 3. So you will take 1 from there. You will borrow 1 from there. It will become 12. Now 12 minus 3 is 9. So what is the answer? 90 rupees 44 paisa. Or also children, you can write rupee in the front instead of mentioning paisa and rupee separately, because already you have mentioned the point there. So there is no difference if you mention this separately, or either you write a rupee in the front of the number. So in this way you can subtract it. Now let us do the exercise 14B children. First question, add. Here see rupees and paisa, separate columns are made. Now you have to do simple addition the way you do. So in the first A part, paisa, only paisa is mentioned, rupees is not mentioned. So you add it. So what you will get? 60 paisa. In the B part, again you add 0 plus 5 is 5 and 7 plus 5 is 12. So it will become 1 rupee 25 paisa. In the C part, simply add rupees section. You will get 80 rupees. Now in D section, add the first paisa column. So 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So 70 paisa. Then from the rupee section, 3 plus 4, 7. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So it's 37 rupees, 70 paisa. Now E section, 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 5, 12. 1 carry. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Then 8 plus 2, 10. So you will get 108 rupees 20 paisa. Now in the second A part children, here point is mentioned and rupees is written there. So now add according to that. Simply do the addition and keep the mind where you have to keep the point. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So you will get 85 paisa. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 4 is 6 and then 3. So 360 rupees 85 paisa. Now next B part, add 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 4, 10. So 1 carry and then put the point there also children. After the 2 digit from the right, you have to put the point. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Then 7 plus 3 is 10. So 1 carry. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 7. So 704 rupees children. Now in the C section, 5 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 1 carry. So 1 plus 1, 2 and 2 plus 8 is 10. Again 1 carry. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So you will get 630 rupees 25 paisa. In the next one, again 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 0. Sorry, 5 plus 5 is 10. So put 0 here and then 1 carry. Then 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1, 11. Again 1 carry. So 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2, 6. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. So you will get the answer 1061 rupees. Now children, third A part, do this addition. You will find the answer 3479 rupees 90 paisa. The way you add children, the same way you have to add here. Only you have to keep the in your mind that the point should be on the same line. After 2 digits from the right, you have to keep the point. Now the next also same way, 107 rupees 35 paisa, 67 rupees 20 paisa, 115 rupees 25 paisa. When you will add, you will get 289 rupees 80 paisa. Then C part, 271 rupees 55 paisa, 386 rupees 25 paisa, 168 rupees 30 paisa. Add it and you will get rupees 826 10 paisa. Now D part, 1427 rupees 25 paisa, rupees 3846 25 paisa, rupees 2628 50 paisa. Add it and you will get 7902 rupees. In this way children, you will do the addition of money. Now children, we are going to subtract the money. So fifth A part children, see here rupees and paisa is mentioned separately. So paisa column is this. you have to subtract. You simply subtraction you have to do. So from 0 you cannot subtract 5. So you will take 1 from it. It will become 10. You will take 1 from the 8. Okay, so it will become 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5 and 8 will reduce to 7. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So what is the answer you will get? You will get answer 35 paisa. In the next one, rupees section is given to you 70 minus 25. Again subtract it. So from 0 you cannot subtract 5. So you will borrow 1 from 7. It will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 7 is reduced to 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So 45 rupees, children. In the next section, C part, 55 rupees 45 paisa minus 26 rupees 25 paisa. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. And from 5 you cannot subtract 6 in the rupee section. So you will borrow 1 from 5. It will become 15. And 5 will be reduced to 4. Now 15 minus 6 is 9. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So your answer is 29 rupees 20 paisa. Next, D section, 97 rupees 25 paisa minus 68 rupees 50 paisa. Now 5 minus 0 is 5, children. Now from 2 you cannot subtract 5. So you will take or borrow 1 from 7. The number 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 5 is 7. And 7 is reduced to 6. So it will become 6. And from 6 you cannot minus 8. So it will borrow 1 from 9. So it will become 16. Now 16 minus 8 is 8. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So answer is 28 rupees 75 paisa. Now children, in the next question, 87 rupees minus 39 rupees 25 paisa. So children, 0 from 0 you cannot subtract the bigger number. So what you will do, you will borrow 1 from 7. First it will go at tens place, and tens place will give the 1 to ones place. So at ones place it will become 10, and at tens place it will become 9. And at hundreds place the 7 is reduced to 6. So now 10 minus 5 is 5 and 9 minus 2 is 7. Now 6 from 6 you cannot subtract 9. So you will also borrow 1 from 8. So it will become 16. Now 16 minus 9 is 7 and 8 is reduced to 7. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So your answer is 47 rupees 75 paisa. Now 6th A part, children. Again you have to subtract it. So 763 rupees 25 paisa. Subtract it with 28 rupees 45 paisa. Point should come in the same line, children. See it. So you will get the answer 734 rupees 80 paisa. Okay, children, 5 minus 5 is 0. Now 2 will take 1 from 3. So it will become 12. And from 12 minus 4 is 8. Now 3 is reduced to 2. And from 2 you cannot subtract 8. So again it will borrow 1 from here. So it will become 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. And 6 is reduced to 5. And 5 minus 2 is 3. And there is no number below 7. So 7 will come down as it is. So answer is 734 rupees 80 paisa. Now B part, 835 rupees. Subtract it, 259 rupees 85 paisa. So what answer you will get, children? C. So you will get 575 rupees 15 paisa. Okay, children, how you have to do? Same the way you subtract. Similarly, you have to subtract it. Only the thing you have to keep in mind that point should come after 2 digit from the right. Now C part, 4,218 rupees 75 paisa. Subtract it, 159 rupees 40 paisa. Now children, see. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then after that is point is there. Now 8 cannot subtract 9. So it will borrow 1 from there. It will become 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Now 1 is reduced to 0. From 0 you cannot subtract 5. So again it will borrow 1 from there and it will become 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. And 2 will reduce to 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. And then 4 will come as it is. As there is no number below 4 there. So answer is 4,059 rupees 35 paisa. Now D section, children, 7,500 rupees 25 paisa. minus 1000 rupees 249 rupees 45 paisa. Now children, 5 minus 5 is 0. From 2 you cannot subtract 4, so it will borrow 1 from 5. It will become 12 here. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Now because 0 was there and 0 has given 1 to 2, it will become 9 here because earlier it was 10. Now 10 has given 1 to 2, it will become 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Then again 9 minus 4 is 5. And 5 is reduced to 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. And 7 minus 1 is 6. The way you do the subtraction, the same process. The ordinary numbers you have to subtract. Only keep in mind that in money, from the right, you have to count 2 digits and then you have to place point there, as it will separate it, rupees and paisa. Children, this is a homework from exercise 14B to you. So fourth question, addition of money, you have to do it in your copy. And seventh and eighth is subtraction. Subtraction of money. So this you will do in the copy. Children, rest of the exercise which we have done today, that you will do in the book. But this homework section you will do in your copy. And in the next section, children, in the next class, we will do multiplication of money. With this, thank you.